Got a 2014 Honda Accord, suspecting a dead battery, which is this right here. Basically the issue is, obviously it's cold out and it's not starting. So when you got a new one, just the economy from O'Reilly's, usually they'll install it, but sometimes they don't have enough people there. So I'm just gonna show you how to go ahead and do it. You're gonna need a 10mm socket for your little bracket. All right, and then once you get this off, this is what it looks like. It's supposed to hook down in there to hold your battery stable. You can unhook this other one. Just gonna toss it to the side. And then you have your terminals here, which also should be a 10mm. All right, and once you get loosened, you should just be able to wiggle it. See the terminal, it just slides right off. Just gonna tuck that to the side. And then we have this one. This should be the same thing, 10mm. I'm gonna loosen mine real quick. All right, same thing. Should be able to wiggle it right off. Same thing, you just kind of tuck it to the side. All right, and then you'll just pull this right out. It's a little heavy, but see, it's just freely in there now, so you just pull it out. Forgot to mention, once you get it out, it's a little dirty in there, but reds are hot, blacks are neutral, and so with the battery, it'll come with these to let you know. It's also minus and plus, so just match the red to the black. All right, and once you got it in there, it's sitting in the tray, you can just pop these off. It's like there, and pops right up. And you just throw these away. You don't need them for anything. So it doesn't really matter which one you do. I'm sure some people might say there is a reason, but slide the black one back down on there like that. Make sure it's nice on there, good, because you'll tighten this back up. And then you're just gonna slide your red one back on there as well. Obviously no sparks or anything, so don't be worried about that. But I'm gonna take my 10mm socket here, and you'll tighten these back up. All right, well, they're on there, nice and tight. Just flop that thing down, make sure they're on there. And then this is how you'll take your bracket, and like this hook will go down, and there's like a little slit. I'm not sure if you can see that, but it's like in there, that. And then you take this other one and do the same thing, and then you'll basically just tighten your lug nuts here back at the top. All right, and once you get your bracket tightened down, see, you just don't want it to move because then the connections can get loose and stuff. So let's tighten down, make sure these are all sturdy. All right, so if you have a loose connection, then it can also act like it's dead, so. Also forgot to mention, pretty sure mostly everywhere you take these back and you get your core charge back, which is just like a couple dollars. So